Hi, welcome to GladyTechFix. My name is Felicia. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how to verify your age on Character.AI. The first thing you have to do is to launch the Character.AI on your device. Click on your profile icon. You're going to see edit profile, share profile and gay icon. Click on it. Click on advanced. Click on verify your age. So the next thing you have to do here is to click on get started. So you have to obey a few instructions like center your face on the screen. Before that, make sure that you are in a lighted environment and make sure you're not wearing cap, because that can stop you from having verified your Character.AI. So make sure you're not wearing cap in order not to stop your verification or affect your verification. The next is you have to select country. This will only pop out when you complete your verification successfully. Having done that, the next thing is to screenshot your government ID. You can use any ID of your choice, but make sure it's a government ID. All you have to do is to click on the camera icon right here and make sure you're in a lighted environment in order to have full capture of the ID. Now, the next thing you have to do here is to place ID on. So here you just have to place it on a lighted environment and then take a shot of it. So you just obey, make sure it's the frontal because the instructions say frontal. So having taken the picture, the next thing you have to do is to click on use this photo. But if you look at the photo and it looks as if it is not okay, click on retake the photo and retake it to have a proper verified photo. So right here you click on use this photo. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this stage where you show you that you're processing your ID. It will take few time, not too much, just few seconds to verify. Now it says everything looks perfect. Having done that, the next thing you have to do here is to wait for the verification to progress. So it shows verification is on progress. So after done that, it's going to pop out and show you that your verification has completed, and now you can successfully have chats, one-on-one chats on the app. So guys, that is it on how to verify your age on Character.AI. So guys, do not forget to subscribe.